Hey, what's up guys, I'm back with a brand new unboxing. It's time to unbox the Tecno Camon 19 Pro. It is finally here in the Pakistan market. So in this video, we're gonna unbox this phone. Let's see that what this Tecno has to offer in this price range. And the price of the Tecno Camon 19 Pro is around 50,000 PKR. In this price range, we have 8GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage. And the color I have is the Echo Black color. This phone is also manufactured in Pakistan. So on the back we have some more specification about the phone. This phone has a 64 megapixel optical image stabilization main camera. Then we have a 50 megapixel telephoto lens which give you a 2x optical zoom. Lastly we have a 2 megapixel depth sensor. No ultraviolet lens on this phone. On the front we have 32 megapixel selfie camera. This phone has a 6.8 inch Full HD plus IPS LCD display with 120Hz refresh rate. And the processor on this phone is the Helio G96. So here's the box of the Tecno Camon 19 Pro, and you can see the box, it is very similar to the Tecno Camon 19 Neo. So now let's open this box, and on the top we have our device, Tecno Camon 19 Pro in the Echo Black color. Again, these are the main highlighting feature of the Camon 19 Pro. So now let's start the phone from this plastic like this, and you can see here is the Tecno Camon 19 Pro looks like in the Echo Black color. I gotta say, on the back we have matte finish. Back it is made up of plastic as well as the frame, and the frame is completely flat, and you can see which gives a really premium feel. On the back we have a triple cameras in this dual camera layout. Looks really unique and beautiful as well. I really like this matte finish on this phone. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. On the front we also have a screen protector. So now let's see what else we get other than the phone. First up we have warranty card. Also we have a soft silicone case, and you can see here is our charger. And guys, and this is a 33 watt adapter. This phone maximum support 33 watt fast charging. That's really good thing. Also we have this box. Inside the box we have a cable, USB type C to USB A. Also we have hand free, and you can see I did not expect that, with the headphone jack as well. Also we have SIM ejection tool. So now let's look at the Tecno Camon 19 Pro in the Echo Black color. Now let's put all these things to the side. Now let's see the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we have a speaker grill, USB type C port, main microphone, headphone jack. On this side we have a SIM tray. Inside the SIM tray we also have a rubber, so you can use one micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full-fledged SIM slot, so that's really good thing. We have a full-fledged SIM slot on this phone. On the top we have noise cancellation microphone. That's really good thing. On this side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a side mounted fingerprint scanner, which also work as a power on button. So again, back it is made up of plastic, and the design language of this phone is the main highlight. Also the cameras, because we have 64 megapixel optical image stabilization main camera. On the front we have 6.8 inch Full HD plus IPS LCD display with 120Hz refresh rate. And the side, and you can see bezels, it is really small on this phone because we have flat frame. And the bottom chin, I would say it is little big, but I wish that we have AMOLED display on this phone. Also we have a 32 megapixel selfie camera in this punch hole. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. Here is the first boot of the Tecno Camon 19 Pro, and you can see, and guys, and the first impression about the display quality, I have to say that this phone has a IPS LCD display. Now let's look at the brightness, maximum brightness, and the display, it is, I would say, really bright, but not the brightest. So here is the notification area on this phone. I also have NFC. This phone has fingerprint scanner on the side, and you can see, and the fingerprint scanner also works really fast. Now let's go my phone. This phone is running on Android 12, so that's really good thing. Android 12 is here on this phone. OIS 8.6. We have 128GB of internal storage, and out of 18.11GB it is used on this phone. Now let's go to the display section, and 120Hz it is enabled by default. I can feel that, and you can see on default it is on auto, but now let's go 120Hz, and the animation also feels really good, and you can see phone performance feels really fast because we have a Helio G96 SoC, which is a really powerful SoC in this price range especially, but we also see this SoC in lower price range. This phone only has a single speaker, no dual speakers on this phone. So now let's look at the camera. And this phone has a 64 megapixel main camera here, all the modes. So we have 64 megapixel mode and an AI mode. So no ultra wide lens on this phone. Instead we have a 2x optical zoom on this phone. So now let's see video recording size with the back camera. Back camera maximum shoot 1440p at 30 fps. We also have ultra steady mode which give you a better video stabilization, which is also available with a 2x optical zoom. We also have a bokeh mode. We also have a video beauty feature. All those things it is available on this phone. We also have a beauty mode, portrait mode, super night mode also available on this phone with a 2x optical zoom as well. We also have pro mode. We also have a slow motion, and you can see maximum we have a 240 fps slow motion, a panorama, sky shop, time lapse, all those things it is available on this phone. So now let's look at the front facing camera. And this phone has a 32 megapixel selfie camera, and the first impression, the front camera looks really good, especially the colors. So I am wearing this white shirt and the exposure level it is okay. So now let's see front camera video recording size. Front camera also shoot 1440p at 30 fps, ultra steady mode, bokeh mode, and video beauty feature also available with the front facing camera. And the slow motion it is also available with the front camera. Beauty mode, portrait mode, super night mode also available with the front cameras. So in terms of the camera features wise, this phone has everything. I wish that we have ultra wide lens on this phone instead a telephoto lens. And this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size. We have 33 watt fast charging, and the battery life on this phone should be really good. This phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Tecno Camon 19 Pro. So let me know your thoughts regarding the Tecno Camon 19 Pro in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for the tech videos and more videos about the Tecno Camon 19 Pro also coming soon. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.